Hey guys, and welcome to Floodscape 2.7. Yes, we're gonna go to 7 this time. Episode 7. Because why not? And this is my third time recording because my goddamn family. The first time I recorded, I messed up. The second time, my mom interrupted me. Ah, my god, man. It's annoying, but you know what? We're still going on. The third time recording. If it fails again, I'm literally gonna be so done with this. Like, I want to go back making videos, but I can't can't because I'm being interrupted. That woman just died. Oh no. What's the? Oh no, that's not good, Savista. What do you do? Okay, so from what I've heard from gameplay, so what I've heard from gameplay, you slide here. Okay, so do not touch the sand. The sand is your enemy. Even though we're touching on it right now, platform sand. I fell. Forgot this map has like a lot of tight jumps. Okay, so well, that's some fun gameplay right here, man. Alright. Going to greatest and it's highest. And that's... Oh, whoa. That's a mistake right there, buddy. Actually, ain't that much of a mistake. I think you can still do it, right? Right? Yeah, I'm right, guys. I don't think so, but... at least try. Big jump there. Alright. And he did it. Holy crap. Oh, okay, here we go. Oh, okay, here we go. Alright, crazy maps on the zone, man. Now watch me die. It's like one of my favorite. Man! Well, I'm stuck. Hey guys, nice view over here. Why does the level look so low quality though? The lava race is kind of slow, but yeah, it's like yes. That's some. This man's doing hip hops. What the fuck? Well, I think this video is gonna be insane and crazies only, or just crazy mode activated. Like, what is going on? Also, from what I heard, this map, it was like the easiest crazy map. But Crazy Box decided to like patch the shortcuts and everything else, and I think this guy's dead. Yep. It got downgraded. Well, that's fun. Man, we all suck at this game. It's just sad. I'm gonna die on the first jump here. Never mind. Someone did. Wow, okay. I almost choked there, like what? Alright, time to wait. Oh, Jesus. Ha 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 ha. Let's go. Wee. No 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 no. You know, the insane maps feel like normal maps now. I'm not gonna lie. Except for the ones that are like the hardest of the hardest. Like, man, that's crazy. It's even crazier that the fact that I don't play this game a lot. Oh no, it's this map. I'm screwed, bro. I haven't played this map in like 10 years. Here we go. Okay, this requires a lot of strict timing. Whoa. No, shoot. Oh man, that map's like crazy hard, man. It's like insane, straight up insane hard. Straight up crazy, man. That dude just fell right into the lava. Alright, Hexo, Mr. Hexio, you gotta like do the splittity splitters, the yoinky splinky. Gotta do the yoinky splinky, man, like that. You gotta do the yoinky splinky on the roof. So yoinkies. Here we go. Oh, come on, dude. Don't. Come on. No. Okay. Glitch clutch. Down, bro. Nice glitch. Yeah, we got glitch. Man glitched it, you know. Okay, I'm stupid. Oh, man, my favorite map. Go. Alright. Man, this music is bobbing. Alright, tight jumps here. Shoot. God, I got stuck. Shoot. Man, I'm a pleb. Whew. Yes. Okay, I don't know this map literally straight up. I know you gotta go here though. Whoa. Man, what the hell? No. Why is it not registering, bro? frick? Man, I don't know where. I'm so noob. Oh my god, I almost fell. Dude, that's lag. Oh shoot. Why does it do that? Oh. Oh my god. Oh, did I do it? Yes! I did it! Yo, my god, that was crazy. Holy shoot, I got the badge! Yes! That was crazy. Holy crap. I'm not even faking the reaction though. Holy my god, my heart. Oh no, here we go. Alright, guys, I do not know how to play this map. So, please help me! Anyways. Here we go, here we go. Fast time. I'm dead. Music though. Music though. Do 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 do. So, yeah, from what I heard, from what I'm talking about, yeah, I've not played this game in a long time. And that was a major pink spike. I was scared. What the hell? And these guys need to hurry up. So probably after like a few maps, I need to, you know, stop recording and do my own thing. I record more videos like if I want to. Probably with some friends. Yeah. I'll record some videos with my friends. It's like it's really lonely right now. But you know, that's fine. Let's just watch these people like do it, I guess. Okay, I know this. Okay, so I heard this part is like really hard, and it was so hard that they died. Damn. Damn. Hey, it's inventory temple. That man's swinging back down to square one like a god. Oppa, we gotta do this. Oh, someone died there. No, I'll just wait. Oh, the last speech is just right there. Oh, skip. Nah, screw it. That's just kinda not worth it, bro. Bro, did someone take like 10 years? What the hell happened there? That dude just bonked his head. I hope he doesn't die. Okay. Probably like 2 more maps and I'll, yeah. Insane map, sinking ship, of course, because that map is easy peasy, but it's challenging at the same time. So. we're here really early. Oh, fridge, my ball. Ugh. Screw it. Man, we all suck at this game. What the f— How do you mess up on that jump? You're good. I've seen that man beat like good maps. That man just tripped. Now we got this lady right here who's apparently doing better than that guy. But you know what? I'm not even gonna talk about it since yeah. Just gonna watch this lady do some yoinky splinky right here. And I thought she was gonna die, but nope. But yes. Beneath. Yeah. No, you moron! Why did you vote it now? You got— Oh, I haven't played this one in like 10 years. Oh, the rescued guide. Oh, that's clever. Alright, someone's coming. Okay, I'm sorry. Oh shoot, dude, that's crazy. Man, I remember that, like, wall jump part never, like, it just doesn't register you sometimes, you know. And I gotta be careful. I haven't played this map in like a long time. Whoa! See? That's why I just gotta be careful. And most of the time, I just died because I'm bad at this goddamn game. But you know what? To end this video, we're going to the secret area. Because, why not, honestly? Yeah. So guys, that's it for the video. If you want to like and subscribe, you can go ahead. It's free. You don't need to like do some extra steps, you know. So yeah, just press the button, press the like button, subscribe, turn on the notifications if you want to see more videos, which are probably not gonna happen. But do it anyways, cause why not? And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.